FLEXBOX is your hero. When you think about it, the placement of items with margin and padding doesn't work anymore when the screen size changes. So I will show you why FLEXBOX is the way to go. Here's how it works. Say you have items like P tags, for example, and they're usually put into a div. FLEXBOX makes it to where you can line up your ducks in a row so you have a nice, neat format. FLEXBOX uses two directions or two axes to place all these things. The horizontal axis places the item's position according to the sides. The vertical axis places them somewhere between the top and bottom. This now answers the age-old question about how to center a div. There's only three things you need. But first, let's actually use a little bit of margin for the P tags, say 10 pixels. If we have a normal div that holds all these, the HTML looks like this. Pretty boring and 1991 looking if you ask me. Now, before we get to the fun part, give the div a height of 100 pixels. You'll see how this works in a minute. First thing, put in display flex. Bam! It puts it in an inline format like how most nav bars look. Second thing, type in justify content center, right in the middle. But of course, this is the better way to put it in the middle. Let's put a border in to see the effect of the last one. Type border 2 pixels solid red. Third thing, align items center. The div is now centered. If you've never seen this before, this should get you excited. We will cover more about this in the videos to come.